Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy I Like Your Style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the chillest analyst. Today is the Nedbank Cup quarterfinal, and Orlando Pirates are up against the SuperSport United, and I'd like to know your predictions for the game. My prediction for the game, guys, obviously this fixture is not the first fixture, so every time SuperSport meet up against Orlando Pirates, it's always a heavy fixture, guys. I think last month SuperSports were playing up against the Orlando Pirates, and the match ended by 1-0. So every time these two teams meet against each other, it's always a hectic match to watch. But today I'm gonna give it to Orlando Pirates again, because we all know Orlando Pirates, guys, is their third time defending this competition, and Orlando Pirates now, if they're gonna win it again, it will be the third time Orlando Pirates winning Nedbank Cup competition consecutively. So Orlando Pirates are actually dangerous when it comes to this cup, guys. So against SuperSports, we all know SuperSport is very tactical team, and we know their culture all the way from Pretoria. The way they play, the style of play, it's more or less like Mamelodi Sundowns, because some of SuperSport players, they go to Mamelodi Sundowns. And yeah, so guys, today I think Orlando Pirates will win today's match, because Orlando Pirates, they have been doing well, but I think one of the setbacks for Orlando Pirates is only the injuries, guys. Orlando Pirates players have been going to injuries. I think in the last 3 games they lost some of the best players, the likes of Tito Maswanganyi. Mbata also left and then came back again, luckily. So yeah, they have Mbata, and so I doubt if Maswanganyi will be there tonight again, but we'll see, guys. So but Tito Maswanganyi, if he's gonna be there, so definitely he will be in the starting lineup, because you know how influential he is, guys. And in the last match Orlando Pirates played, we saw that Tito Maswanganyi, we really needed him in that match, but the players that were playing, they really managed to grab those points for Orlando Pirates. So this is a Nedbank Cup competition, guys, and we know that Nedbank Cup competition, it is a very entertaining tournament. And now that SuperSports are going to have a very challenging match, so now they will have to obviously do what they can in this match. So I heard the coach Andre Arense saying that no, the boys are confident. They know that Orlando Pirates form, and the way Orlando Pirates have been playing recently, they know all that stuff, and then they're focusing on themselves, because he also mentioned that he has some of the best players, which is Saile, who needs to be also trained better, to at least if they can find a better position for him, because the coach Andre, he said that the Saile is very talented, so they will look for a better place where he can deliver for the team. So coming into this match, players like Saile, obviously they're gonna be very influential for SuperSport, and they also have Pule. They also have Pule, also, who played for Orlando Pirates, a former Orlando Pirates player. That boy, we know what he can do, especially in this kind of matches. So yeah, obviously this is a very hectic game, guys, and Orlando Pirates, because they have injuries, it's very tough to put their lineup, guys. But it's my job. What can I do? These are my predictions. I'm gonna give you guys my predictions for Orlando Pirates lineup, and obviously SuperSports is gonna have to defend against Orlando Pirates. So I think they're gonna play low block against Orlando Pirates, and then they're gonna benefit from the sides, because that's how most of the teams plan against Orlando Pirates. So in the previous match for Orlando Pirates, we saw that they introduced most of the young players in their lineup. I'm talking Nkota was there, Relebohile Mofokeng, Ndlozi was also there, the right back, the young right back, 22 years of age. And then in the center back, they introduced the young Bekeleni Mbokazi, who was making his first fixture for Orlando Pirates, first debut for Orlando Pirates, guys. So I know that people were talking about the boy's performance, that he was really doing good. Will he be in the starting lineup today? That's the question that I want to ask. If will Bekeleni Mbokazi be on the starting lineup today or what, guys? So, but anyway, here's my starting lineup for Orlando Pirates. We know that Sipho China is not there; he's also in the injury. So the goalkeeper is obviously gonna be Buthelezi, guys. Buthelezi kept the clean sheet in the previous match in the league game. So in the left hand side, Orlando Pirates, obviously they're gonna put Dion Hoto, because we need him today, guys, from the left back going to the front to make sure that we overload the front, because we need goals today. And then two center backs, Mbokazi will be there. I don't know if Olisanda will be there, but I know that he's back in the Orlando Pirates. So I'll put Mbokazi and Olisanda, because CBC is not there. So Mbokazi and Olisanda. And then on the right hand side, I'm gonna put Diano van Rooyen, guys. Yeah, we really need someone like Diano van Rooyen who can produce some magic there. And we know the main point is to overload the front with the wing backs. So the midfield, guys. The midfield, I think the coach obviously knows that this game is very important, so he's obviously going to put Mbata and Makehleleni Makaula to defend right in front of the defenders. So the attacking midfielder, obviously Tito is not there. We're gonna put Dlamini. Dlamini will be the boy delivering those passes for us, going forward and making sure that the guys they score. Especially in our striker, we're going to attack with Mabasa, and then Relebohile Mofokeng on the left hand side. Nkota is gonna start again tonight. So guys, those are my predictions for the lineup of Orlando Pirates. So I think obviously SuperSport is gonna fight. So I think they're gonna put Saile in their starting lineup. Pukhenpul will also be there. Players who are confident. Nokovic, their striker, obviously, and then players who we know that they can make sure that SuperSport grab the point against Orlando Pirates. So we'll see today, guys, Nedbank Cup competition, which team will go to the semi-finals, because obviously we know that it is very important. So yeah, my predictions, Orlando Pirates is gonna win today. So what are your predictions? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a chillest analyst.